Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I saw that there is an update for GameNative. This is an Android app to play your Steam games on Android. So currently I'm using version 0.7.2 and with 0.7.0 I had an issue with the controller in Half-Life 2. So let's test that again. And now if you go to edit container and you go to controller, you can see that there is use Steam input. So if you have some issues with the on-screen controller, then you can check if that option can be enabled. Don't forget to save it. So now let's test it. And yeah, it might be that this doesn't fix it for every game and every device, but at least it is something that you can try.
Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until, well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
So now I can use the on-screen controller. Oops.
End of the line.
Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers. I thought so much of City 17 that I elected to establish my administration here. In City so far.
The only ones on that train?
Our benefactors. I've been
Uh,
proud to call City 17 my home. And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts unknown, welcome to City 17. It's safer here.
Overwatch stopped our train in the woods and took my husband for questioning. They said he'd be on the next train. I'm not sure when that was. They're being nice, though, letting me wait for him.
So I'm not sure if everything is working for the controller, but for instance, if I press A, you can see that you're jumping.
Welcome to City 17.
But at least
Chosen or been chosen to relocate.
you can see that the developer for GameNative is still working on things and they are fixing bugs. So yeah, I really hope this will improve with new releases. But at least for now, we have a better working on-screen controller. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.